Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to another what I eat in a day video. Thank you so much for joining me today for a fantastic day of food. So this morning I'm working. I'm about to start working in about 10 minutes. The kids have literally just left for school. I've whipped up a coffee, but I'm not hungry this morning, so I don't think I'm going to have any breakfast because I'm kind of doing that thing where if I'm not hungry I might have a banana in about an hour, but right now I'm just gonna have my coffee and just ease into my day. But lunch I'm very excited about because this lunch I've been planning to have it for days, and I got all the ingredients yesterday when I did an Ocado shop, and I'm very excited. And basically it's like a tuna melt sandwich, which I'm so excited about. It has roast harissa, sun-dried tomatoes, spinach, cheese, tuna, peppers. Oh, what's not to love? That sounds delicious. And I did want a heartier lunch because this evening we're off to Layla's parents' evening. So I don't know what time we're going to get back, but I have a feeling I have some pre-packaged veg that I can use. I also have a steak that I got yesterday from Ocado, so I'm thinking about like cooking a steak with some veggies, having it with some like portobello mushrooms. I just cannot wait. It's going to be a really delicious day, and I have found another snack that I am absolutely obsessed with, and it's really low in calorie value as well, and it's a bit of a treat. So I'm excited to share that later, but before I do that I need to get myself logged on very quickly. Jeans are Levi's, just my regular button-up Levi's, and this top I've had it for about, I want to say 9 months, 10 months now, and it's from Mango and I got it last year, and it's just this really lovely lightweight knit. Also, I've had my hair coloured. Like, I've gone for the same colour, but she's just blended out my greys, so hopefully you guys can see that it's not as grey toned, but she's blended it in really nicely. And yeah, I'm just really happy with it. I feel like I can move my hair around, I can play with it, I can move it about without getting a Cruella de Vil situation. Anyway, I'm going to go give it a thumbs up, leave a like, leave a comment, and a like is a thumbs up. Honestly guys, I am not with it today. Do you know what it is? Andy's away on business, and for the last like couple of days I've been by myself just doing everything with the kids, which is fine, but I'm obviously quite tired and quite out of sorts. So anyway, I thought picking up my camera, I was gonna vlog so I wasn't on my own, because the kids don't really hang out with me anymore. They're like way too busy doing their own thing, but it's been okay. But again, I'm a little bit scatty today. Anyway, I'm gonna tie my hair up, I'm gonna log on, and I'll see you guys at lunch. It's now lunchtime and I've been super busy, as you've seen, prepping my tuna melt sandwich. Now this comes together quite easily considering there are quite a few ingredients. Basically it's just chopping and mixing everything up in a bowl. I used roast harissa, I used sun-dried tomatoes, celery, onion, pepper, like half a red pepper, Greek fat-free yogurt, about 25 grams worth of cheese because it does 2 servings. So what you saw in the bowl was 2 servings, but I didn't use all the cheese because I'm gonna save the rest for tomorrow and then use the rest of it tomorrow for work for a sandwich. And yeah, you just basically put all the components in the bowl with salt and pepper, mix it all up, put it into the tortilla wrap. I've used wholemeal just because of the protein, and I think these work out 300 odd calories per wrap, which is awesome. On WW, I guess you could just point it all individually, but honestly, I mean, the yogurt's free, the veg is free, the tuna I think would be free as well. So the only thing you'd have to factor in, cheese, your wrap, and maybe the harissa if you're being really strict and you want to, you know, do condiments like that. I think that the sun-dried tomatoes has a degree of oil on them as well, so you'd have to figure that out if you wanted to. One onion, like a large onion, like a spring onion, 1 stick of celery, half a red bell pepper. I think that was all the veg. Oh, a handful of young spinach as well. Anyway, I'm going to wait for my lunch to prepare. I might have it with a sprinkling of my truffle oil crisps as well. I'll see how hungry I am actually. I'm going to stick with the sandwich first because it's very rare that I have a full tortilla wrap. So I think this is going to be quite a lot for me. But the calorie value is really fantastic. And as I said, I'm not going to be eating till late tonight. So I'm hoping this will really sustain me. But I might have a snack in the afternoon before I head out for parents' evening. But anyway, 3 more minutes on the clock and we will cut into that sandwich and see what we're dealing with. I'm so excited. Okay, so it's out of the air fryer. Let's see what we have. I mean, first thing I want to say is it smells incredible. I cannot wait. This looks so tasty and delicious. Like, look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This smells incredible. I'm just gonna have a cheeky little taste. Mmm. So it's a few hours later now, and I'm not gonna lie, that sandwich, so good. I didn't eat it all. I ate like 1/2 with like a third maybe of the second piece, but it was delicious. And honestly, hand on heart, I am looking forward to my lunch at work tomorrow. I'm just having a brew. Andrew's just got home from his business trip and he brought me up a brew and my little pack of rice cakes. This is the snack that I was telling you about that I'm obsessed with, and a colleague shared a bag of these for me at work and I was forever converted. And it's the milk chocolate mini rice cakes. They're 123 calories a pack, and we've just shared this pack, so I've had half of these. But if you were going to point them on WW and you're going to use the whole packet, it's 6 points. But yeah, 123 calories, basically nothing. So yeah, they are delicious and they are done, but I have a little bit more time before we need to set off for Layla's parents' evening. And then when we get back, we will look at making dinner, which I think I pretty much decided is steak and veg. Might even throw on a few chips as well. We'll see. We're back for parents' evening. If I'm honest, it's a little bit all systems go. I've come in, I have seasoned my steak already. You guys have seen me season steak 1,000,001 times. This is an Ocado rub steak, and I believe it's around the 400 calorie mark. I'm not too sure on WW what that would equate to, and sadly I've thrown away the packaging. But anyway, I plan to have that with a big flat mushroom, which is already in the air fryer. I'm just going to part do that, take it out, put some grated garlic over it, some olive oil, and then put it back in for the remainder of the time. I'm also going to have it with this medley of vegetables. This is a pre-packaged one that I got from Marx's. I'm unlikely to have all of this. I'm going to have half of it now and half of it tomorrow for lunch or something. I'm also going to throw on, because I've been very busy today, I'm going to throw on a few chips and maybe have a bit of coleslaw as well. So yeah, let's get on with all of that. The first thing I'm going to do is to get my steak cooking and resting, and then I will quickly just stir fry this veg very simply. Like, honestly, there's nothing to it, but this will be very delicious. Actually the next day now. By the time like we got fed and we got the kids sorted for school the next day, I was just really tired, so I thought I would just film the outro today, but everything was delicious. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'm hopefully going to get this video edited and up today. Fingers crossed, we'll see. If not, it'll go up tomorrow, which is a Saturday. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and leave a like and a comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.